Trading is enticing because it provides you a way to get rich quick. Today, the stock market has become a sophisticated form of a casino. Millions of people participate in this game, and everyone here thinks that he is smarter than the other. Buyer buys thinking he is right, and seller sells thinking that he is right. But in this game, like every other game, one has to be wrong for the other to be right. One has to lose for the other to win. And so overall, the stock market becomes a zero-sum game. You see, historically, the stocks were never meant to be used as gambling cards or lottery tickets. They are pieces of ownership. Yet, some people use them as cards in the casino. Just like cards exchange hands, these stock exchange hands every day. So the game has been like this from years, where the long-term investor did better than the trader. As I have decided to be positive here, I would say that the game may change. Traders today have a greater possibility of beating the investor. Earlier, stocks were traded using traditional means, but today, thousands of transactions are carried out in seconds with the help of technology. The rise of artificial intelligence makes me optimistic about the future of traders. You can beat the man in a game of probabilities, but you can't do the same with a machine. In future, artificial intelligence can be used to exploit these loopholes of human emotions and can be used to make greater successful trades. People with the knowledge of programming, data science, and algo trading are placed in a sweet spot. Just like gaming consoles, perhaps in future, trading consoles would be sold. People would be busy making money sitting in front of their terminal. If money is only what matters to you, then focus on improvising your game. Hitting random stocks every day won't help because even today you are competing with machines. The big investors, the institutions, often employ a team of geeks who use algo trading softwares to take charge of their trades. On the other hand, you are placing your bets randomly on a 2 GB smartphone with a 2 Mbps internet network. Any person who is passionate and wants to make money, then he should be willing to work hard and learn more. These charts, patterns are now thing of the past. The trades are executed so fast that you can't even spend your time on watching and analyzing the pattern. The machines should be equipped to take decision on your behalf. For you, even to say yes or no takes 3 to 5 seconds, whereas the machine can do it in just 3 to 5 milliseconds. So you can imagine the pace at which AI can produce results. If you really are ambitious about what you are and what you want to become, then focus on the latest trading technology. Many broking firms have launched algo trading platforms where retail investors can use charts, patterns, indicators to carry out their transactions. Using traditional charts to fight with algo traders is like using sticks against guns. Understand that investors can coexist without harming the return of each other, but traders have to beat each other to gain a larger piece of that pie. Traders need to be brutal. Trading is a game where the fittest and the fastest survives. Also remember that traders can't make money every day. Hit the iron only when it is hot. Don't waste your energy. Just like a king who engages in frequent battles reduces his chances of survival. Similarly, trader trading every day reduces his chances of profit. There are good days and bad days. Once you know when is which, then you have made it. Trading as a profession should also be reconsidered because it too involves hard work, dedication, and time. Choose trading only when you know what you are doing. Trading is a game of a mature mind and a strong heart. Always know what to stake and what to expect because in the end, it all narrows down to profit. In trading, the market is always right and the trader wrong. You make money, then the market is right, and so are you. If you lose money, then the market is right, but not you. Companies come and go, but the market remains. Investors come and go, but the market remains. Traders come and go, but the market remains. Don't be foolish to assume that you can manipulate the market. Play fair, play safe. See you next in the top billionaire list. Hit like if you think you are the one.